Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we've got a really exciting video for you. I'm going to be doing a glow up with me for Valentine's Day. So it's going to be quite a lengthy glow up, but I thought I'd film it because I haven't done one of these in ages and you all used to really like them. But yeah, today I'm getting my hair dyed, and then afterwards I'm going to see how tired I am, and then maybe get my toenails and nails done. But yeah, I look like this, but I'm getting my hair, I'm just getting a full head of highlights because my hair just looks absolutely awful. Look, like it's so brown. Not saying brown hair's awful obviously, but like it's all grown out and horrid. But yeah, I'm really excited about that. And my nails look absolutely awful. I probably will get them done actually again before Valentine's Day, because I kind of want red nails for Valentine's Day, but I have Toby's mum's wedding, so, and my dress I'm wearing is lilac, so I don't want it to clash, and I know red nails will annoy me. You know what, I'm going to get lilac nails. No, I'm not. I'm going to get French tip. I'm going to get French tip. We'll see. Anyway, yeah. I'm going to go get breakfast and yeah. My little OOTD for the day. Got this on from Shein. These are from Ralph Lauren, and then I'm just going to stick on this pretty little thing, cropped grey jumper, which is very cosy. I just want to be cosy. What can I say? What can I say? And I will wear a coat as well because it's very, very cold. I need to brush my teeth, but my mum's just gone in the toilet, so I have to wait. I feel cute. I'm also going to get a sunbed today. By the way, I don't do these a lot. In moderation, please. Obviously I want to be open with you, but I don't want anyone at all taking this as me like, you sunbeds. But I'm just saying, if you do it in moderation. I use a cream. I use this cream, the To Be Tanned watermelon cream. So good. Yeah, that's all I have to say really for now. So some time has passed now since I got my hair dyed, but today I am going to get my eyelashes, nails and toenails done. So I bite my nails so badly, as you can see. Look at that. Ew. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. And yeah, not really much else. I just go to my local salon. I'm just currently going to have a shower. It's currently like 10:45. My lashes are at 11:40, even though I've still got quite good. They're just a little mini infill. I am having another infill before Valentine's Day, but I just thought I'd show you. Yeah, get my nails done with tootsies. Love the word tootsies. It's a bit weird. Right, I'm gonna have a shower now. Also, I got new Riri hair extensions. I don't know which ones to wear for Valentine's Day. So I feel much more pampered. I got my eyelashes done. They cost me £30 as it was only a mini infill. And then I got French tip. These were £33. And then I got my toenails done. Ignore my floor. I got a full set of acrylic toenails for £45. Yeah, and now I feel a lot better, I must admit. But I do need to, I feel like I need to like get a new wardrobe for Valentine's Day. I don't know, I treat myself. That's a bit over the top. So it's quite a few days later now. It's literally almost Valentine's Day. It's the 9th of Feb, and you're probably thinking, where on earth have my lashes gone? Don't worry, I still got the nails and the toenails on. But basically, because I had a shoot and a wedding, I was wearing a lot of makeup, and I kind of just like got on the lashes a bit much, and I picked them out. But I'm getting them redone on Valentine's Day, but you won't see it in this glow up video. So I'm just going to do more like I'm going to show you my hair care routine. I'm going to be showing you my shaving routine, all that good stuff. And also, like, I'm showing you some outfit ideas I've got, because obviously that's all part of the club of me for Valentine's Day. So yeah, so I wanted to come on here and show you all my shaving routine, as obviously that's a very important part for me. I obviously am lucky enough to have a boyfriend on Valentine's Day, but last Valentine's Day I didn't, and I had a great time by myself, enjoying my time, me time. You know, you don't need anyone. Why is there such a stigma? There's no point in it. Anyway, what I was going to say is I have always loved shaving. Even when I've been single, I've never shaved for someone else. I just love shaving. I always want to be clean shaven, which is fine if you don't, but if you do, you can watch this bit. You probably heard me talk about them before, but it's about Estrid. So these have literally changed my shower routine. Well, I usually shave in the bath and then I rinse myself, don't worry. But I love them so much. They're the only thing that doesn't give me razor bumps, dry my skin out. I've never cut myself by accident whilst using this razor, and I'm always like, the amount of scars, like this is from old, I don't know if you can see them red scars here and there. They're all from me using other razors, and they're scars from like 2 years ago. And you don't get any of that now. I do not get any of that. So it's just great, to be honest. So a little bit on Estrid is they are a Scandinavian razor brand. They are completely vegan and cruelty free, so absolutely amazing. They are made for anyone to use, and such an affordable price for the product. Like, I've paid higher prices for other razors and they just aren't as good as I said. So I am all hairy here to show you. I'm going to be showing you all my hairy bits, obviously. But as you can see, I've got quite the hairy armpit on me. And I'm going to show you my little routine and my legs. And basically, I have got a collection of all the different colours. So this one is one of my favourites. I love the yellow one as well. And look, I've just taken it off the thing to show you, but I can put this up. Let me just put it in. A little wall sticker, you just stick it to your shower. And my lovely travel case, because I'm always back and forth from places. And it just protects it, it makes it not go rusty. You know, like sometimes you can go a bit like orange stuff on it. This always stops it. It's beautiful. There's so many different colours as well, so you can go have a look. And then this is a secret to everything. They're amazing watermelon jelly shower and shave. So unreal, like literally it smells so nice and it works incredibly. I'm going to show you all now. Obviously I am going to do my armpits with my top on, just because, you know, and then I show you my legs properly. So I just wet my arm and then get my shower and shave. I don't know if you can see, but there's all the hair there. Yeah, so I rub that in, and then literally the way it glides down is just, oh my god, it's just incredible. So are you ready for this? Look at that. And then I go up, and then I do across. Wow, look at that. Also, ignore how white they are. Obviously when I'm tanning it doesn't really get to it. Oh my god, it's just so smooth. Look at that. Can you see that? Look. There's not a razor bump in sight. Hairy armpit, clean armpit. Not clean, you know what I mean. So here we have my leg. I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty hairy. So what I do is I obviously just make sure to wet my leg nicely, and then get my shower and shave. Oh my god, it smells lush. You can see how, and it's not too thick either, because you know, like, it's just so annoying when that cream gets everywhere. Get my razor, and literally, I don't know if you can see how incredible that blade is, but it's the way it has this bit around it. It's like a soapy bit, so it doesn't catch on anything and it doesn't hurt you. and it's such a comfortable thing to hold. Like, you know them really like skinny ones, you can't hold them. And then what I do is I just go in an upwards motion, like so. I can literally hear the hair coming off. I don't know if you can see that. I'll show you the razor after. But yeah, I'd never go back to another razor now. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this razor. It's just incredible, if I'm honest. So I do all that. And oh my god, it's already so smooth. Like, I haven't even done that completely properly and it's already so smooth. Wow. Love it. So I know a lot of you are going to be interested in it. So lucky I've got a deal for you guys. So when you buy your Estrid starter kit, so in the starter kit, you get obviously your razor of your choice. You can pick any colour you want. You get 2 spare Estrid razor blades and your lovely little shower holder. And then if you use my code, which is SUMMERT in capital letters, if you get that and then you add the travel case to your cart, it is completely free. So it's worth £5.99 and it's so worth it because, like I said, I like storing it in my room to keep it away from like getting rusty, and obviously if you're travelling, even if you just like go to like your friend's house sometimes or whatever. Bloody amazing. So all you have to do is add the travel kit to your cart. No, so all you have to do is add the starter kit to your cart, then add the travel case, put my code in, SUMMERT in capital letters, and it will instantly become free. And then we can be amazingly clean chain together. Guys, look at that. Look, nothing there. And I have dark hair, naturally. It's amazing. There'll be a link down below, and it's truly the only brand I trust when it comes to shaving because I'm so clumsy. And I always get ingrown hairs, and it's the only one that doesn't give me them. So yeah, make sure you check out the link. And did I mention the starter kit's only £7.95? That's cheap for a whole starter kit compared to like others. Wow, that looks terrifying. Let's stick you here. If that falls, that is smashing. I guarantee you. So, my hair care routine. What I do is I either use the OGX because it's sulfate free, the keratin, also the conditioner, or I just spat, sorry, or I use these. These smell lush. Usually I like washing my hair twice. It's really weird, like in one go, but I only wash it like twice a week because I trim my hair quite well and it's better for your hair. It's the Pantene Hair Biology Defrizz and Illuminate. Frizzy or dry and coloured hair. They smell lush. Honestly, this smells so nice. I don't like the smell of any of the OGX ones really, but these smell lovely, so I put them on top of the OGX. But then if I feel like my hair's a bit yellow, I use these, because this does not make your hair purple at all, and it makes it so nice. It's the Charles Worthington Colourplex Toning Ultraviolet Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm just going to show you the conditioner though. Out of the shower. And I am going to blow dry my hair. I don't ever let it dry natural because it goes horrible otherwise. I probably should, but hey ho. Also, my hair looks so brown. I find it so weird. So the next part, obviously I'm not going to be actually getting ready in this video. That's going to be another, I'm going to actually do it on like TikTok and Instagram Reel, but I need to pick my outfit, and because this is going up a little bit before Valentine's, I thought, why not help me? I'm watching good old Bailey Sarian. So I have this dress from Polly. I don't know, I liked it a lot more on the website, but I don't know, I need to try it on. That's my first option. Like, it looks like that. It's got like a slit, it's really long. We're going out somewhere nice in London, so I need to wear like a nice dress, like a longer dress. And then I have this, sorry, I'm trying to like balance the camera. I know it's really bad lighting. And then I have, I don't know, I'm going to show you. I have like this that I wore in New York, but then I feel like it's a bit, I've worn it and I'm going to get annoyed at myself. And it's short, I kind of want to do a longer one. Yeah, I feel like definitely a long one. I could wear the one I wore to a red carpet the other day. Oh, or this. Oh, I really like that. This one, the white one. Oh, I don't know. Guys, help. Or this one. Oh, God. Now, I bought this off Depop because it was a size 8. And I just thought, oh, it would fit. But it looks a bit big, but I don't know. We try it on. They're both from Opoly. So if I don't like it, I can return this one because that's from the actual website. But yeah, let's try them on and see which one. Guys, this is literally up there with the ugliest dresses I think I've ever tried on in my life. First of all, like, I'm always a 6 in Opoly no matter what. I don't know what this is. I can't even twist around, my bum's coming out. This is just absolutely awful. Look at it. Oh, actually, that looks better now. No, I don't know. Look, it's just like it don't fit. Oh my God, it's just, what the hell? It's so unflattering, like look. I'm really disappointed, I'm not even gonna lie. I really don't like it. Oh, God. Well, if I don't like this one, I don't know what I'm gonna do because that one I didn't really like either. But I'm gonna try it on again. Now I'm really stressing and I'm probably gonna have to order another dress. Yay. At least I can return this one though. But let's have fun getting it off. I couldn't even bloody get it up my hips or over my shoulders. Like, look, my shoulders aren't even big. What do they, look. What do they expect me to do? Honestly, they think everyone's like tiny. I do like it, it's just way too big. Like, when I bend over, I don't know if you can see, but there's like loads of gap there. And it's just not flattering on the figure. Like, look. I don't know, like I do like it, I just need it in a size 6. Like look, it's just got loads of extra material. Like it's not absolutely huge, it's just look, when I don't know. Right, I'm gonna, because I've literally got no other dress that I'd want to wear. I'm gonna have to have a little browse. I feel really stressed now. And there's bigger things in life to worry about, but like, I don't know, it's just, I look like funny. God. Well, I can't return this one, but at least I can sell it on Depop, so. I actually really like it. It's just if I don't know, it's just something not, it's not lifting my boobs nice because it's too big. Like if it was actually my size, it would be like that and like holding them in nicely. Does that make sense? Ugh. Guys, I'm on Opoly and I'm just stressing. I don't even know what I want. I don't even like anything. Oh, actually, I like that. No, I don't know. Guys, also I've still got Bailey Sarian on. I might just get, no, I don't know. I want something long. I don't know why I'm only looking at Opoly. It's just because I know it comes quick and I don't trust anywhere else. Oh my God, that is awful. Not the models, I mean the outfit. I don't know what I want. So I have ordered my outfit. I'm going to end this video here. If you want to know what outfit I'm wearing, make sure you go and watch my Valentine's Day vlog when I upload it. It'll be up on the 16th. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this little glow up video. I know obviously I'm not totally glowed up, but this was more just like the behind the scenes kind of thing. Obviously I can't really do my makeup yet. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and make sure you go check out my link for the extra deal. Like truly, look at that. Impressive. Anyway, I love you all so much. Give it a big thumbs up. Have the best day.